Hi, good morning. Oof, mess. It's a mess. You know, I showed you this die that makes the pocket. I have a part of it here. I was working because I loved it so much. I made another one. What for? I do not know. I just loved it, so I made one. And I was thinking, I don't know, should I make some and put in my Etsy store? Would anyone be interested? But it's a lot of work, so it's not gonna be like $5. So that, I don't know. I would love to put more items into my store, but it takes so much work. I worked on this one for an hour, so I don't know. It takes so much work, then I have to price it accordingly, and it seems to be a problem, which I can understand. You want, not you, but a lot of people want cheapy stuff. I want cheapy stuff. So, I don't know. I was just thinking, I had fun. I'm not feeling very well, and I wanted to do something, and then I decided, why not make another frame? Oh my God, almost. I have a bag in my trash, and because my trash was full, all I did was just put up the bag, and it almost fell over with all of the little pieces of paper. I have to exchange this thing. All right, but let's just, I don't know why I turn on the cam and I just babble for half an hour before I do anything at all. And I want to do something. I'm not feeling good. I always have perfect blood pressure, 120/80. And for the past, I don't know, 4 days or something, it's just dropping. It's 110, it's 100, and I don't feel good. I feel like I'm going to pass out the whole time. The first day it started, I went to brush my teeth before bed. I turn on the water and everything goes black. It was just terrible. And it just stays like this for days now. I'm drinking coffee and I'm eating salty food. Like Mr. Google told me. my doctor, Dr. Google told me that. Okay, I have this card. Oh, I think I'm just gonna start with this card. Or do I just go through this? I don't know where we've ended last time. What have we done? I want to decorate this card and put it somewhere. I would like to have maybe like a little writing spot here. And then I would stick it into one of the envelopes for sure. Maybe not this one or this one. I do not know. No, I don't want this one. Where do I have other envelopes? How about this one? No, there's not an envelope. I'll find one. How about, no, this one has the card that has to go there. So how many more envelopes are left? I believe this is the last one, isn't it? Or is there one more? I don't know where to put it. Oh, I made this. There's another, and there's another. I don't know, did I show you this? I watched a video of Eva's once or twice or 3 times, long time ago. And she made these paper clips. Let me see if I can take it off. That are covered from 2 sides, and I just stuck everything that was there onto my paper clip. And I thought it looked good, and then I decided that I'm gonna put it somewhere in my journal so I don't forget, and I just stuck it here. So yeah, thinking if I should do this one or if I should just, I wanted to put a piece of paper in here, and this is the window that I marked. I was thinking maybe just put something pretty on there and stick it like that. But now I'm thinking maybe I should get my flower card and stick it in here. I do not know. Oh, I have to glue this. I hate it when something gets stuck. But you know this, right? What do I put here? This is why I don't like this. I need something heavy to put on here, or at least something that works. I just don't like it. That's why I don't like to decorate when it's done already. It's kind of cool too, but it has pros and cons. I hate it when it starts turning around. Okay, let's put a little bit of glue in here. Yeah, so I'm not doing good at all today, and I made the decision to come here and turn on my cam because mostly it does help me. Before my spirits go down, because I can feel them going down already, and before they do so, I would like to just do something here. I fussy cut some flowers, the long ones, And I'm thinking, should I stick one here? And if yes, which one? I would put something underneath, of course, but that's not too bad, right? If it would look out here, like from the card, so I would have to stick it on this side of the card. And maybe just make a little decoration, not too much, just to make the flower pop. How about that? Grrr. Grrr. I don't know, I have to mark where it's gonna go. No, I'm gonna put something on top first. Oh God, Jesus, help me. I need to keep this one open because I'm gonna lose it. All right, so what do I do? Where are my scraps? Paper scraps. I would like to see if I have another. Yep, I do. I have a filter. Ooh, this one is even better. I have a coffee filter right here. So I'm thinking, should I just, you know, have a coffee filter there? And it's ripped, so cool. I'm gonna rip it a little straight on this side. Oh, I had my therapy yesterday, and I think it was just so draining, I swear to God. We were actually laughing at the beginning. It was all right. We're talking about stuff, and it was all right. And then at the end, she just hit something that was weird, like made me cry again. She always makes me cry. And then everything just came back. Stuff comes back, you know. If you go to therapy, you think that you have dealt with stuff or put it really deep down, and then it's not. Oh, you know what I'm thinking? Do I do this? I could. It's not too bad. This heart of mine was made to travel this world. It does sound good. The journey is my home. I like this too. It's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it. I wish this was a little longer, the flower, but I think we would be okay with that. I just need to see now if in my journal, and I'm not gonna push it back. Like, I'm gonna leave the journal there. I'm just gonna push this in there to see if it's gonna come out the window or not. If it's in the right spot, I guess. Oh, Jesus. Don't get stuck there. No, definitely not in the right spot. I have to move it. I have to move it. I have to move it. And then maybe another. Yeah, I'll probably do another one right here. So I'm going to glue those down because this one is okay. Ooh. Always when I turn something around, I go like, this side is pretty too. Which one should I pick? Which one? I don't know. I'm doing this one now. Come on. I have such a bad headache. I had a headache forever now. Like, first of all, I had a migraine for 24 hours that just, I don't know, killed me. Especially at night. I get these, like, headaches once in a while. The whole day, it's really bad headache, but at nighttime, it's a terrible migraine. And then in the morning, usually it goes away. I just have a heavy head. But yesterday morning, it did not go away. So I still have pain. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. And I'm telling you, maybe I'm just, you know, maybe I'm just anxious or whatever. But it all of it started after COVID. I've never had low blood pressure. I've never had breathing problems. I've never had like racing heart and stuff. A lot of stuff I have never had. And after I had COVID, I got it all. So they can tell me whatever they want. I know my body and I know what happened. And I know, you know, that I'm not stupid. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything? No. So I would put the flower here, and then I would put this one here, and then I'm thinking about something on the side here. What kind of washes did I get? No, I think they are no good for this endeavor here. Or maybe this one could go. Maybe. Oh, I have a piece here. Maybe I'll put like half of it. And then I'll put one of my punched pieces on top. Just like this. And then one of my punched pieces on top. It makes it a little brighter, you know, and I kind of want it to be a little brighter. I'm gonna rub this off, and now I have to, you know, it's good that it's made like this. Of course, then you get less washi tape and you think you got more, but for the ripping part, for me right now, it's a good thing. But then when I have to take it off the paper, it's a little bit harder. It's not that good anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it here. Right here. Flower, go away. Your turn will come. Right here. And I need one of my punched ones. Oh, I put it away. All the way over there. My bin was stuffed. Let's see if I still have any or if I have to punch some. I might need to punch some. Because I don't see, or did I take them out? Who remembers? Did I take them out and put them somewhere? I don't see. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Look at this one. This one is pretty. Maybe I should punch. I don't know how it's going to punch though. But I will try. I will try to punch this one. I like it. Because it has all of these colors here. And all I will need is like a part here. And then here, and I'm gonna just dress it a little bit first. Okay, go away, flower. Go away, flower. Why is the flower always in my way here? I wonder, will it punch? I wonder, where is my punch? Oh, I found this. Oh, she reminded me of something. I have to call the rheumatologist. No, the punch is not here. Where are you? Oh, right here. Right here. My baby. You are right here. Oh, I don't know if this is wide enough. I guess we'll see. Let's look from this side. We'll see. We will see what happens. If I can hold it straight, it's just a piece of normal paper, so it's kind of hard there. What did she say? I don't know. She said something else. Take greens. Oh, she gives me 2 reminders right away at once. Alexa, I can't remember that many. What are you doing? Yeah, I know, guys. It takes me a little longer. Today, nothing is working. We'll see. Let's try and toss these little ones because they're gonna end up all over the living room. The other day what was I doing? Die cutting flowers. Oh no, punching my pages for my store. And you know, all the little things fall out. So I usually have a bag and I put it all away, but I must have done something because the living room was full. The carpet was full of those little punch out things. I'm like, oh dang it. I gotta vacuum now. So that's what I'm thinking. Here. Oh, if I can pick it up. I'm telling you, nothing is working. And then this one here. Okay. You know what, yesterday, I think it's because of the therapy, because I get so emotional, you know, I get brain fog a lot. I think my brain is just trying to shut off so I don't have to suffer from my emotions. I think I'm like a therapist myself already. I don't even need a therapist. I know what's going on. However, I got brain fog, and then I made chicken drums, and I just put some stuff on top. You know, I didn't have time. I didn't have energy and nothing. So I tried to explain to my husband what I did to the chicken, that I just put some stuff on top and threw it in because he liked it. So I tried to explain it, and I said, yeah, all I did is to put some species on there. Species. And then I know species doesn't sound right in my brain, but I'm trying to find the right word, and he doesn't understand. And my husband, I swear to God, he's not helping. He's not helping when I lose words, because it seems like he doesn't know words himself. You know, he was, I don't know what you're talking about. And I show him this movement, you know, that you put stuff on top. And you're like, I don't know what you're talking about. And I say, it's not herbs. What is the other word for that? And I get frustrated, but he doesn't understand. I think people who don't experience this, when you lose words, they don't understand how frustrating it is to us. However, I say, not the herbs. What do you put on there? And he's like, salt and pepper? Like, I got really frustrated, and then he left. He went upstairs, and 5 minutes later, it hit me. I was trying to say spices, but I couldn't find the word. I would just say species, species, species the whole time, like 5 or 6 times in a row. Oh, it was terrible. Let me tell you, it was terrible. Let me see if I can do that. I don't wish this on anybody. You could say, you know, it doesn't hurt you, or it's not that bad. You just forgot a word. But let me tell you, it is so bad. I feel so dumb, and it frustrates me so bad. Especially when no help is coming from my husband, you know, when he doesn't tell me the word. Okay, I think that's what I like. Is it the right way though? Yeah, there's no right and wrong. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick the flower if I can get glue. I don't want to refill the bottle. I want it to end so I can actually wash it out. I like to wash it out once in a while because I think that makes everything better. You are so long, flower. Ugh. Okay, now you gotta stay wherever you fall. That's where you stay. Okay. Yeah, however, afterwards I was laughing about it with my doggos. I say species. Species. I mean spices. And I say species. Species. Sometimes I don't know a word at all, and sometimes really funny words come out of my mouth. You know, and my brain thinks it is the right word. What are you talking about? And I can hear it's not, but my brain just doesn't offer me another one. It keeps just saying the same word. But yeah, things are how they are. Okay, liking this. So let's do this. Little by little. Little by little. We are gonna get there. And here, I don't know. It can be written right on here with a black marker, I think. So maybe I don't need to put anything on. I want to leave the side open, but I don't know if it's gonna get stuck. If it's gonna get stuck, I'm definitely gluing this down. So let me see. Let me see how it's gonna look inside of my pocket. I forgot to put something onto the pocket. Oh, there it is. Good thing there is like this little hanger on here. Yeah, the hanger is gonna leave because it's just annoying here. It's gonna go somewhere else. I could have done it a little more, a little higher, I guess, but we're still good, right? So this one is done. Then I do not need this here. Maybe I'll put it into another one. Okay, somebody, well, Jenny, oh my God. Yes, Jenny. I didn't say Jeannie. So Jenny asked me if I filmed this, but I did not. I was just, you know, playing here. So I'm sorry. Sometimes I do stuff without you. I'll try and film it. Maybe I should film it like after this one. I don't know. I'll try and film it sometime soon, okay? Don't be upset. I don't know if I want this one here. It really is green. And it is a green that I don't like too much. A shade of green that I don't like too much. Okay, what about this one? Are we putting it on there? Not now. Maybe I'll decide something else. Not now. Maybe I decide, you know what? I need to go from the beginning. Where did I want to put my pretty thing? And you see, I'm trying to kind of move it around while I do that. So later when I'm done, everything is going to be good. I don't know if there's any spot for my... I want it to be somewhere where, you know, it can open up on the journal. Not here, because then this part opens up. You can never write on it. So either I find a spot, like this would be a good spot, but I put something else on there. So that's not good. What do I stick in here anyways? I do not know. Should we do it on one of the envelopes? I might, if I don't find any better spot. This one is taken. Oh, what did I do here? Where did I want to put it? Why is it right here? It can't go here. What is this? What did I make here? Oh, this is just, okay. Okay. And there's nothing inside, I believe. Okay. What is this? Oh, this was for this one, I'm assuming. But why is it here? Why is it not in the spot where it belongs? Or maybe here? Maybe I should just really put it... Where do I put this? I'm just going to throw it in there again. And next time I will be wondering, why is it there? You know? Okay, I'm keeping this and looking for maybe there is something else. I don't want to do nothing here because I want to stick something underneath. And I think that, oh, here could be one, but I want to put this one here. Oh, decisions, decisions, decisions. I need to find a good spot. Look, that's a good spot. So this one goes out here. And I feel like that's a good spot. It's cardstock. Yeah. And this way, if I open this up, let me do this. At least you can write on it. You know, it's still there. You can write on it and then hopefully you can push it back in. Okay, so I think that is good. I need something underneath. Nothing fancy or fancy. Or fancy avocado dyed paper. I need to take the clip off for now. I'm gonna put the clip right on the card and keep the card here. Some fancy avocado paper, because this is fancy, right? It's pink. I like the avocado paper, but it's gonna be basically wasted. I don't like to waste because it's gonna be covered up. And it's okay. I don't think I have any more avocado papers left. I made them all into ruffles for my store. I should go look into Michelle's closet. I might have some papers there. I might. Okay, so I would do this. And that looks good. Yeah. And then I need something that goes on top. Green? Where did I throw my card? Right here. It is kind of cool, isn't it? It kind of is cool. I don't know. Or how about nothing? Like this I ripped off from something. I think that looks better. I think it does look better. So how big would we need that? Oh yeah, I can basically do it wherever I folded it. Yeah, I know, I did not. I said I can do it wherever I folded it, and then I ripped way higher than that. Just in case, though. What do I do with this one? Rip. Oh my god, the page is gonna go away. I need like a second table that moves away when I press a button. I would love that. Press a button, it moves away. I press a button, it comes back here. That would be cool. Okay. Toss this one. This one we're tossing. I'll just press the whole thing here. Oh, I love this one. I just love holding it, you know. It has pros and cons, but just the holding part that doesn't hurt my hand. Oh, I don't need to distress this, but I am doing it anyways. But this one should be covered up, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Distress everything, so later I can figure out what to do. Or maybe I'll put it this way around. I think this way around is even better. Go on, shred. Go somewhere else. Okay, it's just a little, you know, in the back. So it can be written here, basically, too. Yeah, I like it. Do you like it? I just need to figure out exactly where to put this one. But first things first, I'm gonna glue it down. Oh, do I have to hold this or what? Yeah, I have to hold this while I glue. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't know which one I want. Oh, they are both so pretty. Yeah, well, this is gonna be covered up anyways, and I love how this. Oh, don't. Just. Oh, it hurts me inside to put glue on this. It really does. Terrible. It's so pretty. That's why I don't like double-sided paper, guys. Double-sided paper, Then I will have such a hard time to decide which side I can use. It would be terrible. Yeah. The worst ever. Sometimes it's a good thing because then, you know, if you can see the other side. But if you can't, then it's not a good thing. Okay. And I kind of want the whole rib thing here. How do I do that? See, because the sewing is basically not straight. Because I was making it straight. I wonder where I should glue it. Okay, whatever. I'll just go for it. Glue everywhere. And then wherever it lands, it has to go, right? Because it landed there. I let my paper choose what to do. When I can choose, my paper will choose. All right, so did that. Now I want to open this one up, put it here so I can see where it's gonna go. And then I'm thinking I'm also gonna make this one a pocket right here. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put glue on 3 sides while the cards are out so I can see where they go. And I'm trying not to get there because, you know, so the glue doesn't leak. I don't need such a big pocket or anything, so I should be fine. I'm gonna glue it right here. And then I'm gonna, oh shoot, I cannot. I was gonna push them in, the cards. Maybe I can if I do 2 without moving my glue. Okay. Let's meditate for a minute. What's going on in your life? I just want this to be down. Okay, and I want some of the punched stuff here. Do I have? I do have a lot. Not even a question here. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna just punch a little bit right here. There. And then there. And here. And here. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, did that. Are you down? Are you down yet? Oh shoot, I'm afraid to pull because I didn't. No, I'm not gonna pull. You know what? I'm gonna pull whenever it's dry. Okay? I'm always trying to pull too early. And I'm going to put this aside. It's terrible. Where's my this broken china? What am I doing? I don't need broken china. I need this one. Bundled sage. I really like the color of this one, I must say. Yep, it's green. So, making people happy, right? Make people happy. It's a kind of green that I can, you know, tolerate. This one kind of upsets my eye. I need to either distress it, make it darker. Did I tell you that my room, my walls were green? They were like salad green in the former Soviet Union. I believe it was my walls at least. At least I believe so. At least the windows, like around the glass part, window part. That was definitely this color. But I also think my room was. I need to ask my mother. But I think it was. And maybe I just got, you know, traumatized by the green. Maybe that's it. Okay, so I want this. And then I want some right on top. But also, I will distress it too. So we get both. We get some green and we get some brown. Brown. Such a pretty color. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, nope. I still cannot pull it. Why does art glitter glue need like 5 years to... Where is it pulling? Let me see. If you pull a little bit on top, it's easier. Okay. Okay. I need to hang something on here. I think it's because I had washi tape around this part. I think that's why it has a little bit of a problem to do something here. Okay, so I'm gonna glue you. Down here. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, and then I'm gonna glue this one up there. And even though the flower is bulky, it should be all right because I have a gap here. So, you know, it should be all right. It should be all right. I'm not gonna pull it anymore. I'm afraid now this is gonna come up because of the washi, and I have been pulling it all the time. It's not good. Okay, let's see. Do I have some? I know I have cardstock leftovers here. Okay, if I just cut it from the side a little bit and then kind of go till here. Measurements. You know, I hate taking measurements, so we're gonna do it this way. And now I have both of my guillotines here. You know that? I still have to get used to this one. It's just up high. It's up higher than the other one, and I'm kind of, oof. Okay, here, where was my other measurement? Right there. Is it? I'm gonna put this part. I do like though. I do like that I can push it on the bottom. Ah, dang it. Now I'm thinking I should have left the piece. Dang it. Because now I wanted to go out. Oh, you know what I could do? Okay, come back. I love you. You okay? Was it this one though? I think so. I'm going to just put one here because now I want a tab going up there. Do I have tabs? I must have a ton of tabs. I think right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, but they are different. They are longer. But it's okay. I can just cut a shorter one from this. Definitely can. You know what I'm gonna do? I collect them. I make like embossed stuff from my file folders, and then these I don't want to toss. So I collect everything. I'm just gonna put it on here, and then I'm gonna use my envelope punch board. Will it be long enough then? Will it? To stick out? Yeah, it actually will. You know, good. Very good. So let's do this. Blob. You go here. But I also need something to stick on top, right? I'll find something. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I'll always find something. And there's, you know, something on the back of this because it's reused cardstock, and I'm just gonna keep it because it's okay with me. I'm going to put some kind, or maybe I should just have taken a flower card or something. I'm going to put some kind of decoration on here. What do I, you know what, right now I'm thinking maybe I should just take a card, but they are too big. Okay, let's see, what else we got here? They're just writings. These are too small. Should I just stick one on here? Butterfly, flower, everything and anything. Or should we just make it a little writing spot? I think a little writing spot would be perfect. And I definitely do have book pages here that do have a lot of stuff, like empty. And I don't care that there is printing coming from the other side. You know what? Let me try and use the little one. How would I do that? Right here. Where is my card? Right here. Bloop. Done. And then I'm going to turn it. It's so not straight. But it's okay. Where's my card? Here. Bloop. I'm done. Okay, so I'm just going to make this like a writing spot. That's it. And right now I'm also thinking I'm gonna put this, or I'm gonna sew this there. It's gonna be good, I think. I'm just gonna go sew around the card and be happy, right? Okay, where's my ruler? Right here. Where's the card? Let's just rip it. I'm gonna use it anyways in pieces, so I don't mind. Okay. Just gonna be a little writing spot right here. Why not? And here. And where did I put you? I'm just gonna glue it right on top. A line. And right on top you go. Please glue quick, because I also want to cut you. I'm going to cut you. Suck. And now I'm going to take my punch board. Oh my god, I didn't put it where I put it away where it belongs. Incredible. And I think I'm going to take my little one. My little one right in here. Oop. There you go. And there you go. And I have a little tab, but it didn't stick because I don't wait. Should I make another one from the other side? No, we're good. We should be just fine. I'm gonna sew it, and then I'm gonna stick it in here. Why is it harder now? I don't know. There you go. I'm gonna stick it in here. Now I'm thinking, do I decorate this part with something, anything? See, now I can pull. But it's harder now for some reason. Interesting. Well, it's still okay. It's just a little different. But we can... I hope it doesn't rip off. If that rips off, what do I do? It shouldn't. I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, let me get the card out of here. Close my glue. Put this away. Oh my God. Do you always have to tell yourself what to do? This is how it goes all day, every day, not just when I craft. I'll tell myself, open the fridge, take this out, put this in. I'm talking to myself all day long. It's not just for you here. This is how my life is. I'm always commenting on everything to myself. No. Wanted just to... maybe I should have distressed this line before, but I didn't. So, I'm okay. I might put a little something, metal, on here, or maybe... oh, I could put a little number on there. I think a number would be good. There's no numbers here. But I feel like I want to distress this part. So I'm just going to... It's okay. I can distress it like this. And then pretend like it was supposed to be this way. I'm going to sew on here anyways. So I should be fine. Let's get a number. Let's get a number. Huh? That's not my numbers. Where are my numbers? Oh, right here in the first one. That doesn't look right. It does not look right. I think I'm just gonna get this one. And then I need something underneath. What do we put underneath? Come on, give me a strip of something super pretty. Where's my leftover papers here? I need a super pretty strip of something. I don't have super pretty. All I have is super pretty. Let's say it this way. But I wanted something different. Oh, we have these. Okay. Oh, where are they? I have some leftover papers from here. I just need to find something. I have this one, and I have this one. Which one is it gonna be? This one, or I have this one. It's like this. I think I'm gonna use this one. It's like this graph, not really graph. It's, you know, when the graph is super small. That's what it is. I'm gonna put it on here. Oh, my glue opened up because this thing, I have magnets there and it got stuck to the magnets. So when I pull, oh, maybe I should do that all the time. My glue is automatically open. It got stuck to the magnets. Oh, but who's gonna close it? I wish there was like some closure for the glue somewhere. It is on coffee dyed paper, so I don't really need to distress it, but you know, I will. Oh my God, come on, glue. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put it to the side here. Okay, okay. Oh, shoot. Huh. Now I can put it here. I wanted to put an eyelet in there. Why didn't you tell me? But I can still put it on the top. Yeah, I'm gonna sew first. No eyelets here. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go have a coffee now. Now I can say it's from my blood pressure. The coffee is from my blood pressure. You know what I'm thinking? Should I put like the little pages on here? I think it would be cool. You know, I told you, right? I got them out of the dentist's bill. It had 2 pages. Oh, it was a big bill. It had 2 pages. But you know, you could just put it here. Page 1. And then you turn it around. And then you could have page 2. It has something on this thing, right? Why not? I like it. And I reuse it. So there's like win-win. Win-win for me. Or do I put it just like, I'm going to put it here. Like this way. And then I turn it. And I'm going to put the other one right. Oh, but I'm going to sew there. It's okay. I will be fine. I can sew right on top of this. Nobody. Oh my God. It was so crooked, but it moved. Yay. I'm like, why is it so badly crooked though? Let's do this one. Oh my God, we're at 46 minutes. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is just sew around and then sew right here where it's connected. You know, to make sure it's going to stay there and to make it look prettier. Okay. Did we manage stuff today? I think we did. You know, just... Okay. This one looks good. I really like this page. I really do. And then this one goes in here. And then probably an eyelet or something goes in there. And when, you know, when you turn it, oh, you can't even see. But this tab is going to come out too. And I wanted to do it in a way that, you know, you can see some stuff from the outside. Because I like it. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Look at this mess. I'm not going to clean up. Next time I come on here, it's going to look just like that. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. You know, spending time with me. I like it. And I hope you are healthy and happy and crafting. And I see you soon. Bye-bye.